Hey there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to lock a folder with the help of WinRAR. I already have WinRAR installed on my PC. Now, go to your intended file to start the process. This folder, containing some photos, will be locked with a password. Initially, you have to right-click on the folder. Then, click on WinRAR. Click on Add to Archive. Here, you will find a Set Password option. Click on it. Now enter a password. Re-enter the password. Click on OK. Now, right-click on the folder and delete it. Now double-click on this RAR file, and you will see the folder you have just locked. Enter the folder. Double-click on any of the files to open, and you will now require a password. Enter the password that you have already set. Press OK. Now you can see your secret file. You need to type the password for every single file to open. In this process, you directly enter the folder and you are shown the folder content. Then, each file requires a password. But, you can lock the entire folder. So, to see the content, at first, the intruder has to enter the folder with a password. So, nobody can see what your folder contains without knowing the password. To do this, you have to follow all the previous steps. Here, click on the encrypt file names box. This is the extra work that we previously didn't do. You are done. Now double-click on the RAR file, and you require a password. Here, you don't have to use a password anymore to open any of the files. Now, the question is how you can remove the password from the folder and bring it back to the previous position. To do this, right-click on the file. Click on WinRAR. Click on Extract here. Enter the password. Your folder will be shown. Now your folder is password-free. Delete the RAR file. I hope this video has helped you. Thanks for watching.